From the National Weather Service in Moon Township, Pennsylvania.
The forecast for Pittsburgh and surrounding counties. For tonight, showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-50s. Southwest winds.
Weather bulletin.
Weather message. For the following county, Armstrong County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, western Jefferson County in west central Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Ford City and was moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Crooked Creek Lake Park, Ford City, Kittanning, Muff, Climax, New Bethlehem, Limestone, Somerville, Clarion, Brookville. Prepare for damaging wind gusts and frequent lightning. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.